Still wasting hours on boring PowerPoint slides? What if I told you there is an AI tool that can transform your basic ideas into stunning presentation in just minutes? In this video, I'll show you how you boost your PowerPoint presentation skills using Gamma app, the smartest way to impress your audience without lifting a finger. So firstly, we will quickly log into Gamma. So here we will search Gamma app. And the very first result will come Gamma app. And we will click on the first one, Gamma.app. And it says start for free. We will click on that. And we will click on continue with Google. And we will select the email through which we want to sign in. I'll click on continue. Now here it says, how do you plan to use your Gamma? I'll click on for personal use, or you can select as a student or educator. And here I can select creator, presentation from the scratch. And how do you hear? I'll just skip that. Now it says create with AI. Create from notes and outline or existing content. Create from a line prompt in few seconds. So it is recommended here, the generate one. So we will select the generate button. Gamma works best on Chrome. That's fine. So here it says presentation, web page, document, social. So here, since we are using the free version, the presentation will cost 8 cards. All these will cost 8 cards. Not a problem. It's free for a few things. So we will select presentation. Describe what you'd like to make. So I'll mention I want to create a presentation about a science project on velocity. Just an example, velocity for class 12. So like like this, I'll click on generate outline. Pardon me for the presentation spelling. I have corrected it. And it says investigating a science project, your name, 12th grade physics, date. Here, what is velocity, understanding motions, and we have already have 400 credits, and it will the cards section. Okay, themes, you can select the theme. So I will go with the alien one. Looks bright, minimal, concise, detail, image source, AI. That's fine. We don't have to make any changes. In few minutes we can create a great PowerPoint presentation. So this is the best AI tool, Gamma app, as far as the presentation is concerned. I'm so excited. Wonderful. It's creating like anything. You can see the status right here, the front too. And this can be done for anything. If you want to use AI for office presentation, school presentation, coaching presentation, this will do wonders for you. Gamma app is really, and you are also learning how to use Gamma app. So it's concluding now. The project, your Gamma has finished generating. And close this. You have mode. So you have made your first Gamma. It's easy to customize as show me. Show me. I'll click on next. Let's go. Now it says here we have you can see, I'll minimize it. You can edit from here, like you can mention your name, and you can add the, you can change the fonts, and you can change the font color. You can edit whatever you want. If you want to change an image, you can do that. And if you want a present, enter present mode. I'll click on present mode, and here we go. So you can also try that. It's really exciting. I'll click on exit. Let's say if I want to export that, and how we can do that. Now to export this, we need to click on share, and it says share, collaborate, export. You want to collaborate with your friends, you can do that. If you want to export, you can simply click on export, export to PDF, export to PowerPoint. We will go with the PowerPoint and exporting the PowerPoint. It's really great. And you can also try that. I will show you the presentation. So your PowerPoint export is ready. Click here to download it. So we can go with this, and this will make, oh, it has already downloaded 19 MB. I'll go with this one, PPTX. I'll click on open, and very soon we will have the PPT in front of us. So this will actually enhance your presentation skills, I must say that. And within few minutes, we have successfully created the project right now. And you can see, you can change the theme whatever you want to, and you can enjoy it. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. And I'll just see how much credit it took before going and before saying goodbye. So we had 800 credits, and after doing this, we have 400 credits. I'm sorry. Now we have 360 credits. So we still have 360 credits, and it took only 40 credits, and we have got it for free, right? So if we click on get unlimited AI, you can go with the options, and you can definitely, I mean, you will love it for sure. All right. I'll mention the link if you want to install it. I mean, if you want to use it, you can get in the description as well. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. I'll make more tutorials on this Gamma app as I love it. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Have a wonderful day.